Okay, so for this, I'm going to be talking about some specific actual things. The center is right in the middle. This particular function has the center at 0, 0. Everything's relatively standard. Then I have x minus 0 squared over something, and y minus 0 squared over something equals 1. How do you find the distances? The larger radius looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it's in the x direction. So we have 25 here. The smaller radius is b, and that looks like it's 3. So don't forget, it's not 3, it's 3 squared that goes under there. So A is 5, B is 3. Remember that the major axis is a diameter. And then the length of the minor axis, which is 2b, is going to be the wrong thing for A. I'll never see that. Okay, so the major and minor axes, there we go. Okay, so I've shown you, hopefully, the actual physical ellipse that I'm talking about that we draw, and the red is the red thing is supposed to represent the string. So if I look at this, I'm just going to say, note that from the center to the outside, that's A forwards and back as I start drawing my string around. And then on the inside to the focus, I'm going to call that distance F. If you look on other websites, I'll just point out that in the US, they usually call the focal distance C. For some reason, I cannot figure that out, but oh well. It is not the hypotenuse, so I'm not going to call it C. Besides, why not call it F? So the note that the string is 2A plus 2F units long. Okay. So then, as we're going around the string, we have another version where we're going up to the co-vertex. So let me just remind you that, let's see, if we're going up, okay, we're pulling the string tight across the two focuses. Don't ask me why foci is the plural of focus. It's not my fault. B is the co-vertex distance. So if we look at this, we have F and B, and this hypotenuse is f squared plus b squared. But
hypotenuse squared.
if we have two copies of the hypotenuse going along and two copies of f, the string is 2f plus 2h, but we just said that it didn't change length. It's already known as 2f plus 2a. So h must be the same as a. So we have a on the hypotenuse. So the important formula that I wanted to show, let's see, what color coordinate is okay, so up, center, focus distance, string, half of the string. Okay, so a squared is b squared plus f squared. Or if you want to find f squared is a squared minus b squared. And remember, a squared and b squared are the numbers on the standard form formula.
For the equation.